to watch this video, you are agreeing to relieve United Taps and its staff of any liability for injuries or damages caused by watching or attempting any of the movements presented in this video. If you do not agree to this, please discontinue watching this video now. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. You're about to watch and learn an advanced beginner tap combination to the song Champion by Modest Yahoo. Before we take a look, don't forget to click on that premium advanced beginner package below. We've got a ton of content for you. It's got lessons, a workout, choreography across the floor, a dictionary, practice exercises, just a ton of stuff to keep you tapping and having fun. All right, let's take a look. Learn this. Starting with the right foot, you have step, shuffle, ball, change, stamp, step, shuffle, ball, change, stamp, and 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. From here, dig, 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 dig. That's a double, a triple, and a triple. 6, 7, 8. Dig, 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 dig. Step, step, chug. Let's do it from the digs. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3 and 5 and 7, 8. I'll do that again. 6, ready, go. 1 and 3 and 5 and 7, 8. There we go. And how about from the top, adding it on to the step, shuffle, ball, change, stamp. 6, beginning, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 3 and 5 and 7, 8. Yes, we're going to do that again from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 3 and 5 and 7, 8. From here, repeat that beginning step, shuffle, ball, change, stamp. 6, ready, go. Step, shuffle, ball, change, stamp. Step, shuffle, ball, change, stamp. Easy because you already know it. Now we'll take it from top and add that on. Beginning, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 3 and 5 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And to finish it out, fall lap, back essence left. Fall lap, back essence left. I'll do that again. 6, ready, go. Fall lap, back essence left. Fall lap, back essence left. Now this flap's a little different than normal. Most of the time when we do a flap, we do a 1. We started on the and then we ended on the beat, on 1 if we're starting at the beginning of an 8 count. A 1. Not in this case, we're going to go 1 and. So I want you to be aware of that. We're not doing the normal a 1, it's 1 and. 1 and 3 and 4, 5 and 7 and 8. Alright, so let's try that. Let's try it coming from the step, shuffle, ball, change, stamp. Step, shuffle, ball, change, stamp. That's right before it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, shuffle, ball, change, stamp. Step, shuffle, ball, change, stamp. 1 and 3 and 4, 5 and 7 and 8. Oh, I forgot. After that last 8, go ahead and stamp on count 1 to finish it out. Let's go from the second time we do the step, shuffle, ball, change, stamp, what we just did a minute ago. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, shuffle, ball, change, stamp. Step, shuffle, ball, change, stamp. Fall lap, back essence left. Fall lap, back essence left, stamp. Same exact thing. Let's do that one more time. Make sure we have it down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 3 and 4, 5 and 7 and 8. 1. Well, hot dog, my friends. Let's take it top all the way through. You got this. 5, 6, beginning, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 3 and 5 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 3 and 4, 5 and 7 and 8. 1. Well, yes, we'll hit that one more time before we try it with the music. Here we go from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 3 and 5 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 3 and 4, 5 and 7 and 8. 1. Super, let's try try with the music. Again, the song is Champion by Modest Yahoo, and we are starting at 1 minute and 29 seconds into the song. Let's give it a shot and see how we do. I'm going to start about 5% under speed, and then we'll work up to real speed after a couple times through. All right, so minus 5%, and we're ready to roll. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do that again. Same thing, same speed. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, 5% under, and then we'll jump to the real tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, real speed. Bump it up 5%. Give yourself a run through or two to adjust to the change, but you can do it. Here we go! 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we'll do it again. Here we go, adjusting to that speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, one more time, my friends. One more. Real deal, real speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do it one more time facing you. You're not expected to do with me. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front if all goes well. Thank you all so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time with that combination. Don't forget to click that link below to our premium advanced beginner package. Again, that's got workout, lessons across the floor, music, choreography. I mean, just a ton of stuff to keep you tap dancing, keep your body in shape, and keep your mind sharp. And you can find all that at UnitedTaps.com. I, of course, am Rod Howell from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.